Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we're going to be looking at a new Audemars Piguet Royal Oak self-winding flyback chronograph in 18 karat pink gold. This is a 41mm Royal Oak pink gold model with a brown grand trapezoid dial. Model reference number for this watch is 26239OR.OO.1220OR.02. Market price on this watch is about $115,000 US dollars in 2022 and is currently no longer in production. This to me is a transitional model from the 26331 to the newest 26240 models. It's got a lot of the modern updates as the 50th anniversary, and I'll be going over those updates in this video. The Royal Oak flyback chronograph is a 41mm from my thumb to my pointer finger here. So I'm measuring the bezel here, not the case. AP measures by the bezel size, not the case. So their watches tend to feel a little bit larger than other brands of the same size. If I were to measure the crown or include that in the measurement, it's going to be a 43mm watch. It is a full size. It sits a little bit large on my medium-sized wrist. For reference, my wrist is just under 7 inches at about 6.75. As this watch is brand new, still has a tape on it. I'm just going to pop this on my wrist just to see how it looks on the top. And this watch does fit me, it just needs to be sized. It doesn't go over the edge of my wrists. This is a 41mm. Yeah, personally I find the 37mm cases to be a better fit for my wrist. This case is rated to 50 meters or 164 feet of water resistance. So it might be okay for you to go swim in, but you're probably not going to go diving with this watch on your wrist. If you're looking at the side profile of this case, we're looking at about 12.4mm from front to back. So it's not too over, it's not too bulky, but it is a chronograph. In chronograph, you had to have a thicker case. It wouldn't be right if you had a thin case chronograph. This octagonal bezel is crafted in 18 karat pink gold. It's secured down by 8 white gold hexagonal screws at each of the corners here, see here? Makes this watch easily recognizable as a Royal Oak. It has high polished edges here. And from the top, or from the front, you have a grain finish going from top to bottom. Does a good job wrapping up this dial nicely. So going on the dial, we have some noticeable difference from the older model due to the larger movement. The date window here at the 4:30 position is pushed out to the edge of the dial now. And the subdials are more spread out from the center of the dial. This is due to a larger movement in this watch. You'll notice that the index markers here at the 3, 6, and 9 are little nubs now. They still have luminescence on them, so you can still read the time in the low light conditions. And the dial, we're looking at a full brown grand trapezoid dial with indices on the outer edges for the minute markers. Black hands on the subdials have a nice contrast. Those are pink gold subdials. Makes it easy to read. Going down to the movement that runs this flyback chronograph watch is a self-winding caliber 4401 movement. Newest, latest, and greatest. Because it's a larger movement, that's why the dial configuration is the way it is, with the date window all the way out to the edge of the dial. This movement also has a 70-hour power reserve, so you can actually set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning. It's still going to be keeping time. Now, being that it's self-winding, it has an oscillator in the back. It is self-winding, and it keeps stay wound while it's on your wrist. Let's go back to this oscillator here. It's in pink gold. It's a nice contrast to the movement. It's open worked, so it's easy for you to see the movement inside as well. And like I said, that's a 70-hour power reserve. That's a pretty large reserve for this watch. Now going on the bracelet that holds this watch, we have a pink gold 1220 bracelet. It's a grain finish on the front and the back of the bracelet. And if you look really closely on the side of the bracelet, you'll see the high polish, just for a little bit more contrast on the bevels. We have a double deployment here. Fold it up one way, it opens and closes like so, and you'll see Audemars Piguet's logo there on the buckle. Also, I might add that on this 122 bracelet, you're going to notice that it's got thinner links than on a stainless steel bracelet, if you have a stainless steel model. So, as far as what I think about this watch is a good watch. It's really easy to wear. It is a 41mm watch, and I do prefer a 37mm, but I can wear this watch. It's not too bulky at 12.4mm from front to back. And the thinner bracelet is an awesome update from the previous generation bracelet. The thinner bracelet does take off some of that unnecessary weight. It makes it easier for you to wear this watch. But if that's not enough, you could actually even swap out the pink gold bracelet for a leather strap on deployment. That would lighten it up even more. With the rose gold bracelet, might not be a great everyday wear watch for some people, being that it is a pretty heavy watch with this bracelet. And even if they took off a lot of that, even if it is thinner. Yeah, the watch could be lighter and easy to wear. This watch is also offered on a leather strap, but a lot of collectors buy the pink gold bracelet and install it just to have both options available to themselves. This particular watch was born on this bracelet. And also the larger caliber 4401 movement is a winner. So the 4401 movement makes the dial a lot more spread out. And we have a thinner bracelet that makes this watch a really good pick in my book. Now if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. The model reference number again is 26239OR.OO.1220OR.02. This is the 41mm Audemars Piguet Royal Oak self-winding flyback chronograph in pink gold, 18 karat pink gold, with a round grand tapisserie dial. Now again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on the mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.